Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to turn off announce caller ID. So if you don't like your phone announcing whoever is calling you, especially your iOS device, let's learn how to turn it off. So go ahead to open your settings on your phone. Let me start this. Open your settings on your phone. Scroll down and locate your apps. So I'm going to click here on my apps here. The next thing to do is to scroll down to locate my phone app here. So once you click on your app, go ahead to open your phone application. This is my phone application here. I have to scroll down and click on this announce call. I'm going to click on announce calls. And next thing to do for me to do here is click on never. So I'll tap here on never, and I'm not going to it's not going to display or read out the person's name to me. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and share also to your friends that are also facing these issues.